Hello everyone, you are on the NetNight channel and today I will tell you about my challenge. Not long ago I set myself a challenge to make a game in one day. Spoiler, I failed. I started coming up with the plot of the game the day before the challenge, and this is what I have it turned out. The main character comes to the village to relax, but upon arrival he discovers that in his absence his house is in a mess. He makes a plan and decided to restore order. Focusing on the plot I come up with, I began to create the game world. Let's move on to development itself. First of all, I create a project and started modeling 3D object for the game. Here I cheated a little. I had a house, I adapted a little for my game, and thereby saved a little time. I applied the texture to the 3D models and moved on to modeling the garage. To it also need to apply a texture. At one point when re-importing a garage, I encountered such a problem. I started looking on the internet why this was happening, but nothing helped. I spent a lot of time, which was very valuable. This problem was solved by simply delete and importing again. I modeled small objects that can be picked up or interacted with. Such objects were an axe, logs, a hoe, a broom, and a bucket for firewood. Some objects received a texture and some just colors. Another problem I encountered was the collision and physics for objects disappearing. This problem took a long time. I solved it, but I don't know how I did it. The fence adds atmosphere and create obstacle that force the player to move less in a straight line. The demo version has 3 tasks. The first is to clean the house. The second is to chop and bring firewood into the house. And the third is to weed the garden. The tasks that the player has completed are displayed on the sheet where the player started the game. When the game mechanics are ready, you can start it in depthy errors, adding sounds, the main menu, and adding 3D assets. Here I also cheating because I download 3D assets from Bridge. I was sure that I had to make it, but everything but that could happened. Firstly, I didn't calculate my strength and create too many tasks for the game. Initially there were 7 of them. This moment wasn't included in the video because the light turned off at my home and the computer also turned off. The video was not saved and part of the work done was also lost. Nevertheless, the modeling of one object is recorded. I won't say why is it needed, since this will be in a future update. I didn't despair and continued to work. I made the main menu, basic mechanics, and added some sounds. Everything that wasn't completed had to be transferred to next day, although the challenge was failed. The next day, to add atmosphere, I wanted to surround the house with the trees, but adding 3D trees would cost a big drop in FPS. So I decided to put a forest texture on the plane, and yes, it added a huge atmosphere to the game. I did everything to ensure that immersion in the game left positive emotion and allowed the player to not be distracted by anything, to be completely immersed and to feel the atmosphere of the game. Having done all the work, it is necessary to export the project, but the problem was that the shaders didn't compile, and I didn't know how this would affect the packing of the project. I turned to the internet to find a solution. The solution I found on YouTube didn't help me, but I decided to click on packing the project. A lot of time passed and it still wasn't packed, so I decided to unpack it and find the problem. I found a similar solution in the official community and it helped me. The shader started compiling immediately and packing went very quickly. All that remains is to post the game on itch.io. I didn't complete the challenge, but I hope that next time I won't encounter such problem again and will complete the challenge. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell. You need the next time. Bye.